This year I'm going to do a fall Halloween tree. It saves time, and normal years I would decorate for fall first and then go to Halloween, but this year I'm kind of crunched on time because we just moved to this new old historic home and we aren't even really moved in yet, so I just don't have time, unfortunately, this year to do fall and Halloween separate, but I am really enjoying doing fall and Halloween together, so I'm excited to show you how this tree turns out, and I hope you enjoy this video.